Hello everyone, once again welcome for the same chapter that is the last session, introduction to microcontroller. I think in the previous session we have studied about 8051 features of 8051 microcontroller, then introduction to microcontroller, programming model of memory mapping of microcontroller. Okay, now in this last session we will see about applications of microcontroller. Microcontroller is a single chip microcomputer. They are used as independent controllers in machines or as slaves in distributed processing. So they can be used as masters as well as slaves. They are used as a machine tool, chemical processors, medical instrumentation, sophisticated guidance control tools. Some application require simple timing and bit set reset functions. Other require high speed data processing capabilities. So in all this we require microcontrollers. Okay, not only in this we also have some more things like many low cost products such as electronic toys, microwave ovens, okay, VCRs, which are now outdated, but I hope wherever you require a timing part like washing machines, ovens, there we require. Then a home security system, a tape deck, intelligent multimeter with a microcontroller. Okay, it is also used in your keyboards. Okay, so it replaces scanning, debounce, matrix decoding, and serial transmission circuits. So whichever the keyboards we use in our computers, there also we use microcontrollers. Okay, so I think it comes for 3 to 4 marks. Now the next topic is other microcontrollers in the 8051 family. Okay, like we are having family of x86, same way we also have a family of 8051. Okay, or a microcontroller family. 8052 is a special extension of 8051. 8052 has 8 KB of onboard RAM. Then 8052 allows programmers to write large programs along with a variety of data. The cost of 8052 is definitely more than 8051 microcontrollers. So 8052 is costly used when large RAM and ROM is used. Okay. Now another advantage of 8052 is that 8052 has 16-bit extra 16-bit timer, which gives the programmer more flexibility. So I think 8052 is more advanced than 8051. 8052 and 551 have onboard ROM, so they must be programmed for device by the device manufacturer. Okay, now these microcontrollers generally used when high volume applications are in operations. Okay, so they are used for high volume applications. No value versions like 8051 8751 8752 were also used in some cases, as these replaces the onboard RAM with onboard EPROM. In EPROM there is a facility of erasing the program memory with electricity or with ultraviolet rays. Okay, so they also can remove the ROM, or they can do the reprogramming. The 8032, so again there are some different members like 803132 are the two alternative versions of 51 and 52. They don't have onboard ROM, so onboard RAM. Say they don't have RAM. RAM is at different place. These are having external RAM for programming. These are the best devices in low volume products. So I think 8052 and 51 are used in high volume products. They are used in low volume products. The only difference is they don't have built-in RAM. Okay, 8051 and has external 2764 8K EPROM, have similar functions too as 8751, but 8764 EPROM is cheaper than 8751. Okay, so They are just talking about 8051 is also having external EPROM. Then the third form of 8052 is 8052AH basic. I think before C++ we also have one more programming language, that is basic. This 8052 has basic programming language in ROM. Then other members of of this microcontroller family are 8048, 4950. All these have identical characteristics with exception of memory size. The 8048 supports 1K internal ROM, 8049 supports 2K byte of ROM, and 8050 supports 4K bytes. The 8048 has 64 KB of internal RAM including 32 bytes of registers. The 804950 uses the same 32 byte of register locations to have 128 and 256 bytes of RAM. So I think the question comes in your exam, differences between different microcontrollers. That time you should know the difference between 8048, 49, 50, 51, 52, like that. Okay, so 8048, 49, 50 are popular because they are inexpensive along with the extremely powerful controller devices. Okay, so these were all the members of your 8051 microcontrollers. So see to that sometimes they ask you for comparisons or just to write a short note about 8048, 4950, such microcontrollers. Now the last topic is the block diagram of 8051 microcontroller. Okay, this mostly comes for 3 to 4 marks. Can you see we are having some ports, 4 ports are there, both are 8 bits. There is a ALU section, then we are having temporary registers, accumulator, RAM. Okay, we also have B register. Okay, these are program address register. ROM is also there, or EPROM. Okay, then we are having DPTR, program counter. Okay, program counter, incrementer, buffer. Okay, so many things are there. This is the 8051 architectural block diagram. Now let's this is the processor of the 8051 microcontroller. Now let's start. Now there's a small explanation about this. In the above diagram there are 32 pins for 4 8-bit bidirectional ports. You can see that there are 4 ports. This is your port 0, then we have port 1, then can you see port 2 and port 3, all are 8 bits. So 8 4s are 32 bit bidirectional, 32 pins are there. There are 8 pins provided to connect clock crystals, timing and control signals, and power supplies. So you can see that here we are having many pins like for power supply, then we have this pins, timing and control unit also. Okay, it also includes ALU, accumulator, stack pointer, a block registers, and general purpose register B. All these registers are connected to 8051 internal 8-bit data bus through the series of registers. These registers holds data during input-output transfer and control the input-output ports. The diagram also includes RAM, ROM. The 8051 has internal 4 KB ROM, EPROM, and 128 byte of RAM. Okay, now this was the explanation of that diagram. So this diagram, sometimes they tell you to only draw the diagram, so that will be for 3 marks. Sometimes they tell you to draw and explain. So I hope you understood that in this session we have studied the applications, then we have studied various different types of family members of microcontrollers, and finally that diagram or block diagram or architectural block diagram of 8051 microcontroller. I hope you understood. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you.